Robotics Showcase FRC.
Alright guys, so we are Colt Robotics, and the team that we specialize in the competitions is going to be FRCs. Now, the first question is, what is an FRC and why is our name Colt Robotics? So we are juniors from James Logan High School, and our mascot is the Colt. So we are our team's first, and we are our school's first and only robotics team. So now, first robotics competition. So what sets us apart from the different organizations is that we have more to offer than just hardware engineering and software engineering. So each year, the game is different, and the game is, the robot needs to be built to adapt to the game and complete the specific tasks in a set amount of times to win points. Now, all this may seem stressful, but we are open to all, and for that reason, we ease our members into building robots. So nobody needs any experience in order to be a part of Colt Robotics. Now, here's what we offer to our members, the different teams that they can be a part of. So we are actually a great team if you want to go into the major communications, for example, because we have outreach and merch design. So now what our outreach handles is our outreaching to local community businesses in order to gain fundraise, and we also would like to be sponsored by different local community teams, as being an FRC is rather expensive. Now, our hardware engineering and designers. So we have Gavin here, he's a first year in robotics, and he built our warmer project. Do you wanna explain how hardware engineering went for your warmer project?
So this is the Bomb 2026. So he has a solar panel which is connected by a black and a red wire. So when it's reached to the sun, the battery inside the body will connect, and it will move all these wheels together and move the wheels. And it took like a few hours. I had to make sure these actually move together and make sure the panel also works with the switch.
Alright, so that is our hardware team. We also have a programming team that is responsible for coding the robot, where basically what they do is they source code, so they find code online and they make adjustments to it to fit our robot, and that's a bigger technique that they use. Moreover, the idea that we wanted to introduce to you guys and other robotics teams is the idea of warm-up projects. Now this project here, it's not going to be used in our FRC competition, nor is this RC car that we built, but the reason behind why we do these warm-up projects is to really just get the team like oriented together, because since we are a team that's a school team and we are open to all school members, our members may not always have the most experience when coming in. So that's why we like to go with kit robots as a way for them to warm up and really just get a feel for the robotics scene and get a feel for their team, more importantly. So now this was our solar powered car, meaning that this was a kit robot, and and the important thing about this kit robot is that since it is solar powered, it needs to be outside to run. But the reason behind why we chose this was that it was a kit robot, and this year our team were more beginner friendly and more freshmen were a part of it. So we decided to go with a kit robot that we could build quickly, efficiently, and we built this robot and we were able to get a feel for who wanted to be on the hardware engineering side of the team and who wanted to be on the more of the outreach side of the team. Now, our team member experience. Now, Gavin, how's your experience been so far in Colt Robotics?
Well, my experience so far is pretty great. I work with other people building other robots. I worked with this like after school hours after, and it was pretty fun. And I'm able to do more wiring and building things too.
So through Colt Robotics, Gavin was able to figure out that he liked more of the hardware side of engineering. He liked more of building the actual thing rather than coding it. And through Colt Robotics, I was able to figure out that I like more of the outreach side, more of like the business and communication side of this team. And I believe that this team is a place that welcomes all, and there's a good place for anybody to join this team. Yep. All right, thank you all for listening to our presentation. Is there any questions that you guys may have? Oh yeah, absolutely.
We only have it on the phone, so.
Okay, so how do people reach out to you if they want to? How do people reach out to you?
Oh, how do people reach out to us if they want to? Okay, so we'll be, well, we forgot to put our email up on this, but here, if you guys would like to reach out, our email is 33tahi@gmail.com.
All right.
Thank you all for listening.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then they will be over there in the back. And this event has about 20 more minutes. So go ahead and talk to the team. So thank you.